On Friday, we were talking about dips across the board and everything, and we did have a 20 plus 20, 31% dump on Bnkr. It was insane. And the question is, are we bullish now? And I'm seeing some bullish signs right here on the daily chart. Basically, by the way, this video is no financial advice. But wait, because VWAP is still curving down and money flow is still curving down. So today I will not be buying Bnkr. I will wait for more dips because it's kind of flattening out, but we need it. We need something better. This is not good enough. We need, look, to have a good pump, you need to buy here, right? When you have such a nice curvature. You don't want flat lines like here because you never know what's gonna happen. But when you have this, you buy and next day you get a 20-30% pump. So we'll be skipping today for Bnkr. We bought a bunch of other stuff. We wrote 274 grand just on meme coins, and on top of that for futures. If you want to learn more about my strategies, there is a free and a paid signals chat in the description down below, plus my course. See you in the next video. Bye.